Have you ever been working late at night, trying to read the same sentence for the 5th time, and your brain simply stalls out? When you lose focus like this, it isn't a sign that your mind is lazy. There is a physical logjam happening inside your head. Think of your waking brain as a busy city during rush hour. All day long, billions of tiny, hard-working cells are firing messages back and forth to help you think and learn. This hard work naturally creates a form of sticky trash. This protein waste acts like actual garbage piling up on the narrow streets of your brain city. While you are awake, those cellular streets are too crowded with the heavy traffic of conscious thought for any meaningful cleanup to happen. Once you fall into a deep sleep, your brain's specialized night crew finally takes over. This is the drainage system that keeps your mind clear. During sleep, physical spaces between your brain cells expand by up to 60. The dense city blocks shift, opening up wide, clear avenues. A clear cleaning fluid then rushes through these open pathways, washing away the sticky trash and flushing it out. This deep cleaning cycle can only do its job when the daytime neural traffic has stopped. If you skip sleep entirely, that sticky waste continues to pile up in your streets. Eventually, the brain tries to force that cleaning fluid out into the busy daytime traffic. This creates what scientists call microsleeps, tiny moments where parts of your brain shut down for just a few seconds while you are still trying to work. A 2025 study from MIT found that these attention lapses happen at the exact same moment waves of cleaning fluid wash through the brain. Because the waste levels have become a physical threat to your cells, the brain prioritizes cleaning over your ability to focus on the task in front of you. This daytime maintenance is the reason your attention feels shattered during an all-nighter. Small neighborhoods of your brain are effectively shut down for emergency cleaning. Losing focus for a day is frustrating, but leaving that sticky trash in your brain long-term creates a more permanent problem. When waste is left uncleared, the particles bind together into hardened clogs. These roadblocks are much more difficult for the cleaning fluid to remove and can eventually damage the city's foundation. Scans show that even one night of missed sleep causes a measurable spike in these dangerous proteins within your brain's memory centers. Over many years, this chronic buildup is tied to memory-erasing diseases that wear down the brain's ability to function. Working through the night forces your brain to store toxic waste that eats away at its physical foundation. The good news is that your brain's cleaning system is resilient. You can help it stay sharp with simple habits. The most effective fix is a consistent sleep schedule. This gives your night crew the time it needs to finish the deep cleaning. Exercise during the day also helps, as it makes the brain's drainage pipes work more efficiently when you finally drift off. We often treat the all-nighter as a badge of honor, but mental sharpness is the result of a physically well-maintained biological system. If you want your mind to be at its best tomorrow, you have to let the street sweepers do their work tonight.